If you're looking for the best winter wiper blades in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 5 winter wiper blades that deliver durability, clear visibility, and performance in harsh snow, ice, and rain. We've considered features, quality, price, and real customer feedback to make sure you find the perfect set for your vehicle. All the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, Modium All-Season Windshield Wiper Blades. If you want a reliable all-season option, the Modium wiper blades are a fantastic choice. These fit a wide range of vehicles, including Ford F-150s, GMC Yukons, and Cadillac Escalades. The frameless, one-piece rubber blade design makes them easy to install, while the aerodynamic shape prevents snow and debris from building up. What sets these apart is their over 1,000 stress points and steel sheet arc design, proven over 6 years of testing for superior durability. If you want a simple, affordable, and highly effective wiper for winter, this is a great pick. Number 2, Bosch Icon Premium Beam Wiper Blade. The Bosch Icon is a premium option built for extreme weather conditions. Featuring Clear Max 365 rubber technology, these blades combine a soft rubber core with a protective powder-coated shell, giving you longer life and streak-free performance. The dynamic fit tension spring arcing adapts to your windshield's curve, while the asymmetrical spoiler ensures consistent contact, even at highway speeds. With up to 40% longer life than most premium blades, Bosch Icon is one of the best long-term investments for winter driving. Number 3, Bosch Clear Advantage Beam Wiper Blade. Next is the Bosch Clear Advantage, designed with a patented beam blade that resists snow and ice buildup. The blended natural rubber and graphite-treated edge reduce friction, giving you smooth, quiet wipes in all conditions. The aerodynamic spoiler ensures strong contact even at high speeds, and the click-on adapter system makes installation easy for most vehicles. This blade is perfect if you want solid Bosch quality at a more budget-friendly price than the Icon. Number 4, Rain-X Latitude. The Rain-X Latitude stands out for its 2-in-1 water repellent formula. Not only does it clear your windshield, but it also applies Rain-X's patented water repellent treatment as you drive, causing water to bead up and roll off effortlessly. The advanced beam design provides even pressure across the blade, making it perfect for clearing away snow, sleet, and ice. With its universal fit adapter covering 96% of vehicles and easy installation, this blade is a great choice for drivers who want both performance and convenience. Just don't forget to remove the yellow squeegee cover before use. Number 5, Bosch Icon Wiper Blade, 26-inch. Another great pick from Bosch is the Icon 26-inch model. Like the earlier Icon, it uses Clear Max 365 rubber and dynamic fit technology for streak-free, durable performance. The patented beam design ensures maximum visibility even in extreme winter storms, and its lifespan is up to 40% longer than standard blades. It's compatible with a wide range of cars, from Honda and Toyota to GM and Hyundai models, making it a versatile choice for winter conditions. And that's our list of the top 5 winter wiper blades for 2025. From affordable all-season picks like Modium to premium options like the Bosch Icon and the unique Rain-X Latitude, there's something here for every driver and budget. All the links to these products are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay safe on the roads this winter.